Hello. Thank you for joining us today. Are you in search of a car that perfectly fits your lifestyle, needs, and budget? Your search ends today. Welcome to our ready-to-go car collection. Each vehicle in our frontline inventory carries a rebuilt title, road-tested, and are recertified through salvage inspections. Are you in the market for a sturdy family vehicle? Check out our 2019 Dodge Journey GT or our 2021 Ford Explorer XLT. If it's luxury you're after, we've got a stunning 2013 Rolls-Royce Ghost and a 2005 Ferrari F430 that will be sure to turn heads. For off-road enthusiasts, we've got you covered with our 2022 Honda Pilot and our 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. And for the eco-conscious, we've got a sleek 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo, an all-electric marvel of modern automotive technology. And that's just the beginning. We've got a wide variety of ready-to-go vehicles in stock from top brands like Mercedes, Audi, and BMW. Check out our inventory on our website. Simply head over there and click on the Ready-to-Go section. Get detailed information about each car at your fingertips. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Pick up the phone and call 201-378-3121. Shoot us a text or send us a WhatsApp message. We're here to help you. So, what are you waiting for? Your ready-to-go car is just a call away. Discover the joy of driving with us today.